Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll talk about regression analysis. Regression. In regression, we have two kinds of variable. One is dependent variable, one is independent variable. Here we have y is equal to a plus b x. In this variable, we have different component. In this equation we have different component. This is dependent variable, this is constant or intercept, this is slope, and this is independent variable. So the y depend on x. When the x is changing, the y will be also changing. So we will draw a graph. This is x, this is y, and we have constant here. This area is constant. This is constant area, and this is slope. So this is b, and this is a, and this is x, this is y. When the x is changing, the y will be also change. Let's say this is x is 1, so when the y will be also change. When the x is change, the y will be also change. So y is depend on x. So in regression we have two kind of regression. One is based on the actual data. This paragraph, this equation is based on actual data. In this equation we will have constant, we will have slope, and we will have x. So by multiplying and adding we will get the y variable. But we also have the regression which work on forecasting. Let's say we have y is equal to a cap plus b cap and x. So when we have a and b only, and the value of a and b is given, then we will use this equation, and this work on actual data. But this one, when we don't have a and the value of b, so then we will use the forecasting regression analysis. So this is for forecasted data. So let's say we have the data like we have income and we have expenditure. So let's say the value here, when the income is increased, expenditure will also increase. So this is x, it means this is independent, and expenditure depend on income. When the income is increased, expenditure will also increase. So y is depend on income. So we have some data 20 and 11, 15, 10, 17 and 19. We also have expenditure 5, 15, 14, 17, 8 and 9. So we will use the forecasting data to solve this equation. So in forecasting, first we will find B, then we will find A, and then we will use X variable and we will find Y. So first we will find B. So B cap is equal to summation of x minus x bar multiply y minus y bar. So x is actual variable and x bar is the average of the x variable. Y is actual variable and y bar is the average of y variable. Divide by x minus x bar whole square, and we also have summation of x bar whole square. And how to find B? How to find A cap. So A cap is equal to y bar minus B and x bar. So here we have minus sign. So when we find B cap and A cap, then we will put the value of A cap and B cap, and we will have x as a variable. So when we have the value of x, then we can easily find the value of y. So let's solve one table through this data. So here we have x data, here we have a table, here we have x, here we have y, we have x minus x bar, we have y minus y bar, and we will multiply x minus x bar multiply y minus y bar, and we will have x minus x bar whole square. So we have the data of x. The value of x is 20, 11, 15, 10, 17 and 19. The value of y is 5, 15 and 14, 17 and 8 and 9. Now we will find the average. So the average is, x bar is the average of the x. So we will add all these value and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 number. So we will add and divide by 6. We will get 15.33. We will also find y bar. So y bar is equal to, we will add all these value and divide by 6. We will get 11.33. Now we use this equation, like we will use the value of x. The value of x is 20 and minus x bar. So x bar mean we will minus 15.33. So we will get 4.67. Now we have 11. From 11 we will subtract x bar. The x bar value is 15.33. So we will get minus 4.33. Same, 15 minus 15.33, we will get minus 0.33. So here we will have 5.33. Here we will have 1.67. Here we will have 3.67. Now we will have y minus y bar. The value of y is 5 and the value of y bar is 11.33. When we subtract 11.33 from 5, we will have minus 6.33. So here we will have 3.67, 2.67, 5.67, minus 3.33, and here we will have minus 2 divided by minus 2.33. So now we will multiply this value with this value. Here we have x minus x bar. The value of x minus x bar is here, and y minus y bar, the value of y minus y bar here. We will multiply with them. So here when we multiply this with this, we will get minus 29.56. We will multiply this with this, so we will have minus 15.89. Here we will have minus 0.89, and here we will have minus 30.22. Here we have minus 5.56, and here we have minus 15.11. Sorry, here we have minus 8.56. So now we will take the square root of this value, x minus x bar. So we will take the square root of this value. We will get 21.78. Here we will have 18.78. Here we have 0.11. Here we have 28.44. Here we have 2.78, and here we have 13.44. So now we will use the formula of b cap. So b cap is equal to summation of x minus x bar and y minus y bar, and divide by summation of x minus x bar whole square. So the summation of x minus x bar, y minus y bar, so the summation of this, so we will add all these value, we will get the summation of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. So when we add all these value, we will get minus 15.11, and we will also get the summation of x minus x bar whole square. So x minus x bar, and this is x minus x bar, and the summation of this value will be 14.22. So now here we have numerator minus 15.11 divided by 14.22. So when we divide this by this, we will get minus 1 divided by 0.6. So this is the value of b. Now we will find the value of a cap. So the value of a cap is equal to y bar minus b cap and x bar. So in this we have y bar, the value of y bar is 11.33, and we have minus, and the value of b cap is equal to minus 1.06, and the value of x bar is the average of this value, and x bar is equal to 15.33. So when we add them, we will get the value of a bar is equal to 27.62. So this is the value of a cap. Now we can easily find the value of y. So y is equal to a cap plus b cap, sorry, we have minus here, sorry, we have plus, yes, we have plus here. So we will get the value of b cap into x, and the value of x will be given like, wait, the value of x is given in the question. The value of x is equal to 10, x is equal to 11, and x is equal to 20. So when the value of x is 10, we will find the value of y. When the x is changed like 11, we will find the value of y. When the x is 20, we will also find the value of y. So now y is equal to the value of a cap is here 27.62 minus the value of b cap is, sorry, we have plus, the value of b cap is equal to minus 1 divided by 0.6, and when the x is 10, what will be the value of y? So we will put 10 here, 10 multiply this, we will get minus 10.6, and we will subtract this value from this, we will get the value of y is equal to 17. The value, when the value of x is 10, we will get the value of y is 17. Now the value of x will be changed to 11. So we will put the value, again the value of a cap is 27.62 plus the value of b cap is minus 106, and the value of x is changed now, so it is 11. So the value of it will be 15.94. When the value of x is 20, we will get the value of y. So 27.62 plus minus 1.06, and the value of x is changed to 20. So this is 20. We will get the value of y is 6.37. So this is the value of y when the x is changing. This is the regression analysis, and we will solve the question by this method. This is the regression method.